Hello class, in this video I'll be doing another example on how to determine whether a function is even, odd, or neither given its equation. Let's begin. Okay, so we have g of x is equal to x plus the absolute value of x. And I'll start by working with the definition for even. And we know that if g of negative x is equal to g of x, then the function is even. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute negative x in for x right now and simplify the results. Okay, so the negative x stays as negative x, and the absolute value of negative x is the same as the absolute value of x. And this is clearly not g of x. And that is because of this negative sign right there. So this does not equal g of x. So since g of negative x doesn't equal g of x, the function is not even. All right, let's test this function using the definition of odd. So we know that if g of negative x is equal to negative g of x, then the function is odd. So again, I'm going to substitute negative x in for every x in the original function. Then I'm going to simplify the results. So this again is negative x plus the absolute value of x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a negative 1. So this becomes x minus the absolute value of x. So this expression right here that I highlighted in green is definitely not g of x. So this does not equal negative g of x. So what we can conclude is that since g of negative x doesn't equal negative g of x, the function is not odd. So we can conclude that this function is neither even nor odd. And to show that, I'm going to graph this function in Desmos. So here we go. So we have f of x is equal to x plus, there is this button over here to the bottom left, the absolute value of a. And as you can see, this graph has no symmetry with respect to the vertical axis and no symmetry with respect to the origin. So this function is neither odd nor even. So our work is correct, and we are done.